Welcome back, Excel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful functions in Microsoft Excel, the if function. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this function is a game changer when it comes to making decisions and performing calculations in your spreadsheets. In this video, we'll take you through the basics, some advanced tricks, and practical examples. So, let's get started. First things first, what is the if function in Excel? The if function is a logical function in Excel that allows you to perform different actions based on a condition. It evaluates whether a given condition is true or false and returns one value if the condition is met and another if it's not. The syntax of the if function is pretty simple. It looks like this. Equals if, logical test. Value if true. Value if false. Logical test is the condition you want to evaluate. Value if true is the value that will be returned if the condition is true. Value if false is the value that will be returned if the condition is false. Now, let's take a look at some basic examples to illustrate how the if function works. Basic if function. Imagine we have a list of students and their scores, and we want to determine if a student has passed or failed. We can use the if function like this. Equals if B2 greater than or equals to 50, pass. Otherwise fail. This formula checks if the score in cell B2 is greater than or equal to 50. If it is, it returns pass, otherwise, it returns fail. Nested if functions. You can also nest if functions to create more complex logic. Let's say we want to assign letter grades A, B, C, or D based on the score. Equals if B2 greater than or equals 90, A, if B2 greater than or equals 80, B, if B2 greater than or equals 70, C, otherwise, D. This nested if function checks multiple conditions and returns the appropriate letter grade. Advanced if function techniques. Moving on to some advanced techniques with the if function. Using logical operators. You can use logical operators like AND, OR, and NOT to create more complex conditions. For example, let's say we want to check if a student passed and attended at least 80% of the classes. Equals if, and B2 greater than or equals 50, C2 greater than or equals 80%, pass, otherwise, fail. Here, we're using the AND function to combine two conditions. In summary, the if function is a versatile tool in Excel that empowers you to make data-driven decisions and perform various calculations. With its power and flexibility, it's a must-know for any Excel user. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, keep excelling, and may your formulas always be error-free.